Hey, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you different types of car insurance. Six type of car insurance coverage explained. The six type of car insurance you can get each serve a different purpose in terms of what they protect against. Some cover your vehicle and another driver's while others cover property damage and personal injury. Here's a closer look at how each one works. Bodily injury liability insurance. Bodily liability insurance is designed to pay expenses for someone else if you injure them in an accident where you are deemed to be a fault. This coverage can apply you and anyone else who listed as a driver on your policy. In terms of what this coverage can pay for, the list includes medical expenses, lost wages, pain, and suffering. State law can determine the minimum level of bodily injury liability insurance coverage you need. Property damage liability insurance. Property damage liability insurance also covers you in accidents in which you are a fault. It pays repair to it pays for repairs to the other driver's vehicle and other properties you may damage. For purposes of the coverage, other property can include walls, fences, equipment including mailboxes. Property damage liability coverage can also pay for damages to someone else's home. For instance, say you are driving through a neighborhood and your brakes suddenly fail. Your car leaves the road were traveling into someone's yard and eventually stopping after colliding with their front porch. In that case, your property damage liability coverage would pay for repairs to the home. Up to your policy's coverage limit, the homeowner could then use their homeowner's insurance policy to cover any remaining amount needed to finish the repairs. Medical payments are personal injury protection insurance. If you are a passenger in your vehicle or hurt in an accident, medical payments coverage can pay for any resulting medical bills. Benefits are paid out up to the limit stated in your policy and can reduce many amounts that need to be paid by your health insurance coverage. Adding personal injury protection coverage to your policy can help to replace lost wages if you are an injured passenger are unable to work or funeral expenses if someone in your vehicle dies because of an accident. The amount of coverage you are required to have can depend on where you live. In Michigan, for example, drivers can opt out for PIP coverage if covered by Medicare Parts A and B. However, it also possible to get unlimited PIP coverage for yourself and all passengers in your vehicle. At the time an accident occurs, collision coverage, while property damages liability insurance pays for damage to someone else's vehicle or property following an accident. Collision coverage pays for damage to the own vehicle or property that can include damages caused by a collision with another vehicle hitting a stationary object such as a tree or fence. Whether you need to have whether you need to have a loan on the vehicle, your state insurance, comprehensive coverage reimburses you for loss, theft, or damage to your vehicle caused by something other than a collision with another vehicle or object. For example, comprehensive coverage can protect you from damage related to fire, theft, larceny, falling objects on projectiles, explosion, earthquake, windstorm or hail, floods, malicious mischief, civil unrest, contact with a bird or animal, glass breakage, Again, whatever you are required to have this coverage or not can depend on your live, and you still. This was the video for today. Till then, goodbye.